Well, hey, just take your gun for stun. How do I do that? You push the button.
Lego microwave review with Dakota.
Well, there's no Lego, but
Let's do this.
okay. So we have a Panasonic inverter microwave. Oh yeah! I got you. Look how big it is.
The 10 million people in there.
Okay, so we're opening up the great freezer.
La la la.
We're putting out hot dogs and
Macaroni. Craft dinner style.
we're closing the ultimate fridge of fridges.
Now watch and be amazed. Our macaroni's kind of pale right now, so. But still.
Okay, we're back. And okay, so we got one plate of macaroni.
2 plates of macaroni go in next.
Our second plate of macaroni.
Yes.
And now, bring the camera forth. See that magical number. That is the time. We will now enter it in for...
Oh yeah, and it's 11:57 at night.
30 seconds. Activate.
Hear that crackle pop?
That's because it's Rice Krispie flavored macaroni.
That would be kind of...
I know. How much longer? 12 seconds. 11, 10, 9, ow, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are now opening the grand door. Look at the awesomeness of the door.
What does it smell like?
Look at it.
It's still kind of pale.
It's yellow. Now we will
Are
take
you
our...
sure that's craft dinner?
Now we will take our hot dogs of power.
Is that craft dinner?
Yep.
Yeah?
Now we will take our hot dogs
Or
of
is it homemade?
dinner. We will take our hot dogs of
Oh,
power.
well, wait.
Look at my wiener. Look at it.
Hopefully that's not mine.
No, it's mine.
Okay.
It didn't touch me anyway. Okay.
You're the most mature kid I know.
Yes. Now come forth. You see the new magical number.
Our camera's kind of laggy.
See our new camera. At our new time. We will now enter it in for another 3 seconds.
30, not 3.
We are now counting down from 3.
Please don't pinch my neck.
Please don't pinch my neck. Please don't pinch my neck. We'll be right back after these messages. Now for the moment of triumph. It is exactly 12 o'clock. We shall open the doors and reveal... Oh my gosh.
Macaroni still looks a little pale. That's not mine.
Okay. We will be returning
After
the
these
table.
messages.
You will be back at the table. So we were back. You see it. You have to believe it. The hot dog. Very good. The macaroni. Gotta love it. You gotta see it to believe it. So just admire it.
What about the distraction noodle?
Now, we will see you next time. Please subscribe.